Cool Kids Homeschool.
Making burgers. Let's start. Let's make the patties.
Burger bun.
Lettuce. Legos. Patty. Cheese. Onion. Pickles. Bun.
Wow, look at that burger. It looks amazing. Bye, little ones. See you again soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.